This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor on Thursday, July 30th. We have a lot to cover. I'm going to try to distill this as best I can. This is a squeeze or short squeeze wearing a bull market costume. Apple Amazon is on tap for earnings after the close. More than 300,000 margin accounts were forced into liquidation in South Korea per city. 62% of those wiped out were reportedly under the age of 35. We are at the precipice, I suspect, of some real pain. And no one is talking about the short squeeze impact of today, as well as Microsoft. So let's cover that. Microsoft is an index moving stock. They're part of the Dow, they're part of the S&P, they're part of the NASDAQ 100. A 17% move on Microsoft is about $575 billion market cap. Today, Micron was up like 18%. That's like 180 billion market cap. It's a big number, sure. And then you look at CoreWeave, which sustained 20+%, which was impressive. But this all leads me to have a hypothesis that this was a very massive short squeeze. Not in Microsoft, but in AI. But let's go through the numbers. We had 122 new highs versus 159 new lows. About 55% advanced versus 42% declined. 53% below the 50 and 50% below the 200-day. There were only 13 profitable companies on the NASDAQ making new highs. Now, why do I look at profitable companies, right? Because it's easy to make a loss and grow. So let's take a look at some of these profitable companies. Corcept Therapeutics, biotech, Steve Madden. Footwear, if you've watched any of the Wall Street movies, you'll remember Steve Madden. Billiontune Diagnostics, Illumina Diagnostics, Stagwell Advertising Agency, Five9 Software, Neuroscene Drugs, Capital Federal Bank, Laureate Education, Electronic Arts, Gaming, Cheesecake Factory, Calories, Hope Bank Corp. All right, let's go to NYSE. Maybe they're better names. PBF Energy, Oil and Gas, Pitney Bowes, Integrated Freight, Pacific Energy, Provident Bank, Axalta, Specialty Chemicals. Okay, Cinemark Movie Theaters, Bristol Myers Drugs, Victoria's Secret, sex. Do I need to keep going?
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.